Hi guys! So, two things are changing. First, we're going to Islamabad, leaving Lahore. Probably coming back to Lahore in a couple of months if things work out the way they could work out. And number two, Ramadan starting this week. So, what to expect? I'm gonna meet up with my friend and host Umair and talk about this, and then maybe we'll go and get our train tickets for tomorrow at the train station. Yeah, well, at the train station, because we tried booking online, didn't work out. All right, let's go. Nice, we're going to have my first lassi here. So we went to this famous shop. My friend Umair is taking me. Let's try that. What's it called, this shop?
This shop called Jamala.
You say it's
Jamala
famous?
Milk Shop. It's famous in this area.
It's famous, all right. All right, let's try this. Cool, huh? So people are standing in line on this Sunday. Maybe every day. Check it out. See, these are big milk cans. Wow, oh, check it out. We've got a lassi here. Should I hold both of them? Oh, wow.
Huh? This is a cream, layer of cream, and this is all lassi.
This is a cream and top.
Yes, cream on top.
This is a sweet lassi.
Yes, sweet.
All right, let's try this. Shall we go over there and into the shade? Lassi and dusty roads. Why not? It looks good. It looks like ice cream, actually.
Oh yeah.
Cheers.
Yeah.
First lassi in Pakistan. Oh my God! Oh, it's amazing. Oh wow. Oh. So this is cream. The top, it's very thick.
Yes, the cream on the top is like on the yogurt cream.
Yeah.
They put it to make it more,
Creamy.
creamy.
Yeah, it's
Make
like
it more cream.
yeah, it's like eating thick yogurt on top. This is very good.
Especially on Sunday when people wake up,
Yeah.
they go outside and must buy this one and also a naan chana,
Yeah.
and also you can say that the naan and pie.
Fine.
Pie means the foot of the god.
Okay.
This is also a famous dish here where have a gravy and the way you can say that it's tasty. When you taste it, then you realize how much the best taste it is.
Yeah. Sometimes you have to taste it to realize it. With this very, very tasty lassi. Wow. So we're very short before Ramadan. Ramadan starts in 3 days, right? Is it 3 days or 2 days?
I think so. On Friday, right? Almost on Friday, perhaps.
Isn't it on the 13th? That's a Tuesday.
Actually, you know what? The Ramadan is not like you can say that we don't even know what is the exact date because we saw the moon.
It's the moon, yeah.
When we saw the moon, then the date is decided.
How about Ramadan? So you are, is this for you? Of course, every year, every 9th month, right? So in the lunar Muslim calendar is 1 month, or Ramadan is 1 month. Is it actually 30 days? Or is it 4 weeks? Or
you can say that not exact 30 days.
Yeah.
Perhaps some days, sometimes it's almost 28, 29, 30 or 31. It's already depend on the lunar.
Okay. Of course, it's quite a sacrifice, right? Doing Ramadan. That means Ramadan means you eat for the last time in the day before the first morning prayer, right?
Yes,
What's it
you're
called, the morning prayer?
The morning prayer called Fajr prayer. You must need to finish eating before it.
Before the azan goes.
Before the azan. When called the azan,
Yeah.
then finish it.
And you're not supposed to eat anything and drink anything
Yes.
or take anything.
Even a drop of water.
You're not allowed
You're not.
until
But-
the evening prayer.
Yes, but sometimes in Ramadan, when people drink water,
Yeah.
but mistakenly. If it's done mistakenly,
Yeah.
then it's okay. You know?
You mean like when you take a shower and mistakenly take a drop of water?
No. Mistakenly, like you can say that you even don't have a mind to drink it. But,
Okay, yeah.
But you are out of mind and just
I
drink.
see. Yeah.
You don't know.
Oh yeah, if you wake
then,
up.
then
Yeah.
yes, then suddenly you remember. Oh,
Ah.
it's Ramadan.
Okay, so then you did not commit a big sin. And then who is exempt are pregnant women?
No, it's
no?
not necessary for.
No, a pregnant woman don't have to do Ramadan.
No.
And also travelers and soldiers, right?
Yes, you are right. It's not.
Another exception? Oh, that's it.
There are many exceptions.
Or maybe if you're sick.
Yes, maybe if you are sick, you are not able to do have a fast. It's okay, no problem. Because in Islam, it's the easiest religion.
Okay,
not
yeah.
difficult. So it's very easy if you have a power to have a fast.
Yeah.
Then you do it.
Okay.
And it's a fard on you. If you have some problem, no problem. Then no problem. No need to take.
Is if Ramadan coming up? Are you looking forward to Ramadan, or do you think, oh, Ramadan fasting for 1 month, it's bad? Or do you know what I mean?
Yes, I mean.
Are you looking forward to it, or is it like, come on?
In Pakistan,
Yeah,
in all over the Muslim countries,
yeah,
people would love. People would love to wait for Ramadan.
yeah,
You know, in Ramadan, I think you don't experience before, but
yeah.
when you are here right now,
Yeah.
and when you experience it,
Yeah.
you even have a different feeling, the blessing feeling here.
Yeah,
and everywhere in Pakistan, you even see the people spend more money to distribute the food.
Ah, yes, yes.
You see everywhere people are going and distribute the food because this is a month of blessing.
Yeah, it
It's
is.
a month of
It's
getting-
festive. It's very
Yes.
festive.
For example, like this. For example, I do something. I just give 10 rupees to some beggar,
Yeah.
to some needy person.
Yeah, yeah.
Allah give me Allah on the return. In the return, Allah give it in my. You can say that imaginary account.
Ah, okay,
I have
okay.
also imaginary account from Allah.
Ah,
Allah deposit. I deposit it here,
Yeah.
and Allah deposit it there.
yeah. So basically, you have an account where all the good deeds
Yes.
and all the bad deeds.
deeds.
And in Judgment Day, you will be judged. Hence
you're right.
Judgment Day, right?
Yes, you are right. Exactly
Okay.
right. But if you do the same thing in Ramadan,
Yeah.
then it's double and
It's even
triple,
double.
70%.
Ah, okay. That's very
It's an
interesting.
offer.
Yes.
When this milk shop
Yeah.
put 70% off,
Yeah.
70% more
Yeah.
on the same price,
Yeah.
people would love to get the opportunity. So in Ramadan, people would love almost the 90%, 95%, except if you don't have a problem, then the people here and must need to have a breakfast, have a fast.
Ah, okay. Okay.
And I would really love even a 12 hours hard work if I have a hard work of 12 hours without drinking water.
Yeah.
If I even need to stand in the on the front of sun.
Yeah.
But this is you can say that I would love to have a fast.
Okay.
Because when you have a fast, you realize how the poor people feel,
Yes, yes.
how the poor people fight with anger.
That's true. That's true. Yeah, it makes.
So you realize that, and that's why you have a. You can say that it's very nice feeling when you have it, and after the 12 hours of drinking, not drinking,
Yeah.
you just hear the voice of Maghrib prayer. Then the happiness came, and when you drink something, it's amazing experience.
Okay. It's very interesting thoughts on Ramadan. So you're looking forward to the Ramadan?
Yes, I would love to looking for Ramadan.
My first lassi. I think I can have this on Ramadan for breakfast at 4 o'clock in the morning.
People would love to drink it in Ramadan and not drink, not eat the food like. You can say that I already tell you the pie.
Yeah,
Pie.
yeah.
If have a gravy, you need after eating, you need to drink a water.
Yeah.
Lot. So people would don't like to eat like this type of food. Will make him thirsty, more thirsty.
I see. Yeah, light food that not over salty, so you will not be thirsty all day. Yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense. That's my friend Umair's words to Ramadan. And if you're in the area, get a lassi here. It's fantastic. Loving it. Yeah, there it is.
So this is the shop where you buy a lantern.
Okay, all right. Yeah, so this is the area we've stayed in the last week, so it's pretty cool here. Now we're going to the train station to get tickets because we're going to Islamabad tomorrow. Trying to book it online, but it didn't work. So, might as well. So, good thing I have Umair who's taking me to the train station. And look at the area a little bit. Yeah, this is the area to the north of the Greater Iqbal Park, the walled city. So it's quite close actually. All right, we'll get back to you guys overnight. Maybe. Really cool here. Wow. What an area.
The area is very near to Great Iqbal Park.
Where these buses go to?
These buses?
Yeah.
These buses mostly go to Islamabad.
Seriously?
Oh yeah.
So I could take this bus to Islamabad?
I would recommend you not take this bus, but good one, because these buses have not good seats.
Yeah.
And it's a 5 hours of 5 hours distance.
Yeah.
The biggest place also, it's called Lariada, where you get a buses, cars, and vans to go everywhere. The train station, we're going to inquire about tickets.
The junction station. Cool. I like that. Motorcycle park, a motorcycle parking spot of the train station. It's quite full, eh? Check out all the Hondas. Wow. It's a reservation office. Let's go and ask. So maybe we can get a train tomorrow, which would be cooler than the bus, I think. But let's see. Of course, here the green color. Also here for Pakistan. Yeah, this is what it looks like, a reservation office in the Pakistani train station. There it is. All right. The train tickets for the train tomorrow that we wanted to take was booked out. There was only one like really early in the morning and nah. So we're getting a bus. Also trying to book that online because we have better discounts like this. Let's see if it works. Plus, I cannot even film there. Yeah, they hassled me, totally hassled me when I walked in, filming, you know, as I'm doing it, you know, as I'm filming like I'm filming, right? Telling me to no film hassle me, so can I film in the old train? I said no, we can't. Cannot film anything. So, well, I'm not gonna take a train, right? But anyway, I still would have filmed, actually, but yeah. So the bus is more convenient. It's closer to actually here, and it's the timing is better, so we can get a bus at 9 o'clock, and then the train is 7 o'clock. You know, that means like getting up at 5 or 6, waking up the kids and blah blah blah. So yeah, a lot nicer to be doing that 3 hours later or so. Let's see how this will, you know, be. Moving, traveling. This is our first travel within Pakistan, right? So there's a bus ride from Lahore to Islamabad. Let's see what this is like. And then there'll be Ramadan for a month. And we'll stay in Islamabad for a month. And I'm actually gonna try to do fasting as well. I mean, yeah, let's see how that works out. Or if I'm too weak. And yeah. And then I see what Islamabad is like, you know. Staying in a place between Islamabad and Rawalpindi, which are twin cities, so like we're like pretty much right in between. So let's see, maybe we got lots of modern stuff and lots of traditional stuff as well. So might be the perfect mix, right? Well, let's see. All right, and I will make a video on of the travel, of the journey. All right, separate video. Guys, stay good until then, right? Firmalenge.